Hey, welcome out to the garage. Got our canvas here off of our big boat. Hey, you know the problem is, I made this canvas like 6 years ago, and now when it pours real hard, the rain beats through. So, time to do this. All right, we did some research, found out this is probably the best one on the market. Could be $100 a lot of places, plus another $20 to ship it. Got to go ground, yada, yada, yada. I don't know if you need to shake it, but you shake it a little bit, just stir it up. But got it online for 77 bucks, free shipping. I had to pay tax, so so it's like $90 or thereabouts. A little cheaper than doing it any other way, but it tells you it's got to be 70 degrees. I'm at like 68 right now, so we're gonna give it a shot. So stay tuned. We do have a little sprayer to put it in. Try it by that way. That could take a lot of pumping, but that's what we're gonna do. Take some breaks. Funnel to get it from there in here, and then rubber gloves. It says don't get it on your hands. Again, PPE. Respirator says don't breathe the vapors, but we do have the garage open so you can see quite a bit. All right, so here we are. We're gonna take this open. Boom, funnel, boom. Kind of wobbly. We're gonna hold that. Let's get on some gloves. See how well these gloves work. Kind of small. Here, my wife bought them. They're small. All right. Looks like yes, you got to poke the top. Chipping hammer is always good for that. Hey, look at that. Ain't that ducky. All right, so now I'm going to try to do this. Okay, does have quite an odor. We are going to put our PP on. Got our PPE here. All right, ready to go. All right, so we're starting on the second bottle. Got another piece on there. All right, here's what we used. Let's see how it works. Only a little bit left. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss another one. We'll see how this beads up in the rain, but it's got to sit here and fully dry 24 to 48 hours. But we ain't going to put it on the boat for at least 3 weeks, but we're going to fold it up next weekend. So, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Boy, this smells a lot, though. Make sure you wear your respirator.